We are prepping for paint upstairs, so let me take you up there and show you some of the demo that we did and discuss some of the plans that we have for up here. It's changed a little bit since our original before tour, so let me show you. So we've started demo back here, and first we removed all of the doors, both of the doors. The bathroom door to the left, the door to the bedroom straight back. You can see that Mike has kind of taken apart the dresser a little bit. So our plan for that is to keep this existing, what he has here, paint that, and then we're going to put a new topper on it. The top that came on it originally had like a 3-inch overhang, and it just took up a lot of the walkway space and was unnecessary, so we took that off. The big TV thing that was here is gone. We're still going to mount a TV here, but have it be much more minimal. And then all of the closet doors are off. Don't mind all of the bright lights on the bed. It's kind of dark back here. The mattress is gone. We'll get a new one of those. We took the headboard and all of the window coverings off. And then we have this sliding door to the bathroom from the bedroom removed right now. Originally, we planned on closing this wall in, but we've kind of realized that this is pretty convenient to have access to the bathroom straight from the bedroom. And so we are going to keep that door as is. Let me take you into the bathroom. We removed the existing cabinet that had the mirror on it, and we're going to get a standalone mirror to put back on it and do a little DIY hinge setup to where it's a more pretty mirror, but still have access to open that and have those shelves accessible. And then we ripped out the entire vanity and sink below here, you can see. And we have some big plans for that. I think we're going to try to do a floating shelf with a vessel sink. And then lastly, over here, this used to all be drawers and then an overhead cabinet. We took all of that out. And we are planning on doing open shelving. And then I'm going to add some baskets to have storage back in that area. Don't mind our messy shower. The only plans we have for the shower are to add a shower curtain. We're going to keep that glass door, but put a shower curtain for prettiness. And then I plan to do some shelves, maybe some wallpaper over here as well. So now it's time to do all of the paint prepping that we showed you a few episodes back where we painted the main living area. We're gonna do all the same steps: sanding, wood filling, sanding again, priming, painting, washing the walls, all of it. I'm not gonna film every single step again this time. You guys gonna get the gist. But that is gonna be the next few days, what we're gonna be working on in here. And then this will all be bright white. Now that everything is painted, we got our TV mounted. I know it looks giant, but Mike wanted to go with the biggest size that we could possibly get for this space, and we have this window here, so it had to fit in this little section up here. And then we have our roller shades on the window, and we'll have to do something about this cord because that goes down to like the brains of the TV here. Need to figure out an organization system for that. And then I was going to show you guys, we updated the dresser. So this is the existing dresser. We just painted it white, which we didn't let it dry completely before getting these drawers put in, and then when we opened them, it ripped the paint off. So I'm gonna have to do some touch-ups here. But other than that, I really love how it looks all white. And then we added the same handles that we have in the kitchen here on the 2 drawers. And then we replaced the top because the top of the existing dresser was like rounded out quite a bit, just for looks, I guess. But it ended up, you know, coming out about 3 inches from here, which is unnecessary, and just, you know, we want all the walking space we can get here. So we just replaced the top with plywood. Mike built this custom top to fit this awkward shaped dresser, and I love the pop of wood, warms it up a little bit with all the white in here. Mike got our washer dryer combo unit installed. So this is the Splendide brand. I will link the exact one in the description box below. But this washes and dries, and it is the vented option, which we read that the reviews for vented was much better than non-vented. And then he put this, basically made a countertop to go over top of it, just with some finished plywood here. And that'll give us a nice little countertop where I can have all of my laundry soaps and baskets and things. And then he also installed a bar across the top here where I can hang dry things. And then since we took the door off, we will not be putting the door back on, and we just hung this curtain rod so we can have a curtain hanging here instead of the door. So this is our laundry room coming together. I want to give you guys a little bathroom update now that all of the trim work is done and the walls are white. Mike went ahead and installed our little floating shelf here and vessel sink. I love how bright and airy and open it is instead of the cabinet here, because really that cabinet had basically no storage. So I just like the open feel, kind of makes you feel like you have more walking room in here. Anyway, he built this custom shelf here, tried to make it as slim as possible so it didn't eat out into the space of the room. And then we got this tiny little sink from Amazon. I can link in the description box. And then we went ahead with a wall mount faucet, which I would love to do like some backsplash or something in the future. But that'll have to be down the road after we're moving on and moved in. And then let's see. Oh, the other thing we did was install this mirror in front of the medicine cabinet. So we just took the existing door off, and then after it was all painted, we got this mirror from Walmart, I believe, added a hinge, and now it works as a medicine cabinet, which I love. Little pop of wood for some warmth in here, breaks up all the white. And then we've got the black accents, you know, to tie in the lovely switches here. Okay, there's a little as-is tour. After everything was painted white in here, we've just been cruising right along trying to finish up all these little projects so that we can be finished renovating and show you guys the full reveal. Really the upstairs doesn't have a ton of crazy projects. That was mostly in the kitchen. And so all of these are going pretty fast and furious, and we are so excited to be done.